Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your English literature class, children. So in the previous class we have completed chapter 6 and we have done the back exercises also, right? Page number 62 is done, that is word wall. Word wall exercise number 1 is done. Exercise number 2 is also done, which is given on page number 63, right? This part is also done, children. So open your book at page number 63. We will do this part today, the grammar time. Okay, so everyone take a pencil in your hand and open your book at page number 63, English literature. Okay, are you all ready? Let's get started. Now see here, today we are going to do grammar time. Okay, grammar time, here what we will do, the topic is present time. When I am talking about present time, suppose now what I am doing, I am taking your class. So it is an event which is going on at present, right? I am teaching you. Okay, so present time, when do we use present time? Present time is used to show something that happens regularly or every day. Suppose I get up at 6 o'clock every day. Every day I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So it talks about present time. Okay, now suppose the sun rises in the east in the morning. So here we are talking about something that happens regularly and every day. Okay, when we talk about such thing, we will write such sentences in present tense. Okay, now here one sentence is given. Look at the book. See, we will read this sentence. Let us read the sentence with me. Arnav's mother goes out to buy grocery every Wednesday. Okay, now in the story we have read that Arnav's mother, she used to go out for market to buy the groceries every Wednesday. So she does it in a regular interval of time and regularly, isn't it? It happens regularly, means on every Wednesday she goes out to buy groceries, right? So this sentence shows that Arnav mother does it regularly, isn't it? So it is in present time. So the sentence is given in present time. Okay, so turn the page, come to page number 64. See, here we will do an exercise. The passage below shows us that Rajat does on weekdays. So the passage below shows us what Rajat does on weekdays. Fill in the blanks with the words given below to complete the passage. Now the following passage, here you can see a passage. Okay, this is the passage here. It is shown that Rajat, the name of the boy given is Rajat. Okay, Rajat is a boy. What he does throughout the weekdays. Okay, now what does he do on weekdays? Means on weekdays what he does. Fill in the blanks with the words given to complete the passage. Here see, you can see 4 picture also. See, Arnav is getting up from his bed, then what he is doing, then next walk, then the next. Okay, 4 pictures are given. So we'll see in detail. First one, in the first picture, we can see that Arnav is in the bed. Okay, he is waking up. Then he is having his breakfast. Then he is studying. Then he is out to play. Okay, now here let us see if some words are given like wakes, plays, brushes, eats, comes, goes, takes, reads. With the help of these words given in the box, we will fill up the blanks given here and we will complete this passage. See, blanks are given here. With the help of this word, we will fill up these blanks. Okay, and then we will see that what is Rajat's regular activities during the weekdays. Okay, let us see. First one, Rajat dash up at 7 a.m. So what shall we write here? Wakes, plays, brushes, eats, comes, goes, takes or reads. So he wakes up. So what we'll write here? Wakes, W-A-K-E-S, wakes. This way you can put the number here, wakes, or you will write or not. Means you have to write. First of all, after the class also you can complete this writing, but numbering if you give now, then it will be easier for you, right, to fill up the blanks nicely. With nice handwriting you can complete it afterward. Okay, so first one is on this Rajat wakes up at 7 a.m. Okay, so first one is wakes. WAKES. So here this is number 1. You can give the number. Next line. Then he his teeth. Then he brushes. Then he brushes. Find out where is brushes. 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 He brushes his teeth and dash a shower and then takes. Then takes. Number 3 will be takes. 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 Okay, this is number 2, this is number 2, and this is number 3. Takes. Okay. Then he dash his breakfast. After taking bath, he takes his breakfast. So he eats. EATS. Number 4 will be eats. He eats his breakfast. Okay. He eats his breakfast. Then he dash to school in a bus. What he does? He goes. Number 5 will be he goes. GOES. He goes. He goes to school in a bus. He goes. Number 5 is goes. Okay, he goes to school in a bus. GOES. So I have written he goes to school in a bus. GOES. Goes to school in a bus. Then he dash book at school. What he does? He reads. He reads. 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 So it will be number 6. Number 6 will be reads. He reads book at school. Then he dash with his friend during the interval. What he does? He plays. So 7 will be plays. He plays with his friend during the interval. See, he plays with his friend. He plays with his friends in the interval. Isn't it? You also play with your friend. He goes, then he plays. See here, all the numbering are done. Okay, he plays, number 7. Now the last one. After that, he dash home in the afternoon. He comes. He comes back, right? Like you. He comes. COMES. Comes home in the afternoon. He comes home in the afternoon. See, here we are all talking about the regular thing that he does every day. Isn't it? All this happens on a regular basis. Right? What he does regularly on the weekdays, what he does. Morning, in the early morning at 7 o'clock, he wakes up. Then what he does? He brushes his teeth. Isn't it? Then he takes a shower means bath. Then he eats his breakfast. Then he goes to school in a bus. Then he reads book at school. Then he plays with his friend during the interval. He comes home in the afternoon. Okay, this way we have completed this passage using present time, means present tense. When we'll grow up, we'll say that tenses. Okay, you learn about tenses. So this way we have completed this paragraph. You can see. Is it clear? Okay, so the next one we will do in the next class. So after the class you will complete this, right? You will complete writing all this nicely. Okay, thank you.